I'm Ted and welcome back to my world of modelling. I haven't done a video for about, must be 3 months now. I've been busy with one thing or another, but I've been back in my shed, my workshop for about 3 or 4 weeks now, and I just thought I'd like to show you just a couple of 3 things which I made over that period of time. Now, your sister Debbie, she come back last week, spring shopping, she come back with a couple of these little fairies. And she asked me if I could make something just to suit to the scale. So I come up with this idea of the miniature gardens or fairy gardens. They went online, and there's a whole batch to look at. But you can't copy other people's work, so I come up with this design myself.
Yeah.
It's just a question of carefully breaking this earthenware pot, clay pot, terracotta pot, very carefully, and then using the pieces I broke off to form a wall at the back, look. And then with the broken pieces, form the steps up to the main garden. Now all of these are live miniatures from the garden centre. Actually they're on special offer, 3 for £7.
Yeah.
Which isn't bad really, and I think they're pretty beautiful. What do you think?
They do look nice.
They suit like that one.
Suit it well,
This is
doesn't
like a miniature fern. I just think they're beautiful actually.
And you reckon they'll stay
Well,
pretty much as they are, but they won't just outgrow the whole scene sort of thing?
They're sold as true miniatures, so you're going to take the garden centre.
Yeah. But would you just prune it slightly, just to keep them? To
suit, hopefully, but they shouldn't grow too quickly. So I'll take all those rooted, and to water it, I made this so that actually just lifts off. So I won't about taking off now. But it just lifts off around the plants.
Yeah.
And I can water it as normal and then just replace that. Just water the front carefully. But I have a lot of fun actually making the miniature pieces. Like can you see the miniature little mushrooms? I bought the rabbit because I can't make anything that authentic. But the miniature mushrooms, these actually, the red flowers in the pot, they're dried flowers. They come out your garden. Try and add a bit of colour. And these actually out of the garden. These are winter jasmine. Slightly scented they are, isn't they?
Yeah.
And the rest are just basically moss. But do you like the pixie house?
Yeah, look, the whole thing works really well, doesn't it, together?
The roof is just, do you know that a big conifer down the bottom of the garden?
Oh, is that used
That's just
the
some
bark?
of the bark, which it just breaks off periodically. So I'll just nick some of that. Well, I think it looks nice. You know, it's natural. Nice, yeah. I suppose really it's a miniature garden. You can see the little birdhouse at the back, look.
Oh, around the back, yeah.
Yeah. But there's no limit to what you can where you can put these little miniature gardens, time permitting.
No, they're great.
I think that's nice actually.
Great idea, isn't they? How often would you have to water it?
I've never actually purchased any of these little miniatures, but I'll check it once a week. I think with most plants, just keep them moist, don't let them dry it, but don't water them.
But can you?
But there's
do you have to take that off so you can check the soil, or can you?
Well, I can take it out. I haven't actually tried it since it was. But you should just. I'm see what I'm doing now. What's my cocky up now? It does come off. There you go, look.
Oh well.
There you go, look. I actually had a bit of lead there because with the white being at the back, it tended to tip back. So anyway, that's a better look at it. Pixie house. So as you can see now, that's just dead easy to water.
Yeah.
I'll just keep it moist. That's nice and moist now.
Yeah.
But not. I won't have to do it. I'll just see if I can put this back now. I'm going to feel the rock fall now if it won't go back. There you go. There you go. Freshly watered.
Just a job.
That makes it easy doing it like that. But there's a million and one different designs you can adopt with these miniature gardens, so that's just one I've tried. I've got lots of other ideas in my mind, so. But I think they look lovely actually.
They do, they look very nice, don't they? Certainly,
Debbie's already put an order in.
Has she?
Yeah. Well, she bought the fairies in the first place, so I think that's what she had in mind. But, I think
yeah, they make a really nice focal point, don't they, for the room?
Shown an interest as well.
Yeah.
So I think that's Tilby making.
Yeah, they really do look nice.
I think it's smashing. They're great fun to make as well. One went online. Oh, hang on, I'll have a sip of tea.
So you've been making some vases as well?
Well, I was rummaging through the shed a couple of weeks back, and a lot of people, you know, if wood shows any sign of having woodworm, they'll throw it out.
Yeah.
But really, they still have a bit of woodworm, so I'd always believed that you can kill the woodworm by going online and well, I found out online that a microwaving will kill any living organism in wood. So I just wanted to shout out how long to put it in the microwave. But the chap went online and he asked how to get rid of woodworm, and some smart aleck answered, "Shall I try sending ferrets down the hole?" But anyway.
So what did you use? Say you used hose pipe or something to...
Pardon?
What did you use to seal it inside?
Oh yeah, of course. Well, this is for cut flowers, you see, not artificial. So what I did, I just drilled out the middle and I put a plastic pipe in to seal the bottom. And you fill that with water, obviously you can put cut flowers in. It should last, well, a normal lifespan. So I like the idea of having fresh flowers in a wooden vase. And when I went online actually a short while ago to say, and there's a big market for it, but what they actually use, most people, they get the, what do you call them, the test tubes.
Yeah.
That's what people buy. I knew nothing about it, so what I did, the idea I had was just, like I say, used a plastic pipe, put a 1-inch plastic pipe, seal the bottom and put the flowers in there. But that's another one, that was the first one I made. I'm not sure what the wood is. Maybe anyone watching could tell me. I think it's a kind of, it might be you. But as you can see, this has had woodworm.
Yeah.
But of course, the microwave, I've microwaved it for about 5 minutes. I'm hoping that sort of done the trick. But I think it was quite nice. That had a little bit of woodworm, but not so much. But this looks nice and rustic.
Yeah, yeah.
This is another one. I've had quite a lot of infestation, but as you can see. But it's colourful, I think it's colourful. I think you contrast that with some... Now that I haven't put an inside in that.
No.
But you imagine how nice flower arrangement. Fresh or...
Oh, definitely. And they look nicer than just the classic glass vases.
They're lovely vases, but the fact is that they're all perfect. I like to see something a bit more, you know...
Oh, yeah, they've definitely got more character, haven't they?
More character.
Yeah.
You know.
Definitely.
Rustic piece of wood. No, I like the idea. Anyway, that's it for now.
So have you got any more projects lined up?
I'm going to make some more of those. I've already had a couple of orders. But it's something I really enjoy making. I actually started on another one this morning. But obviously, I want to make 2 of the same. So, there you go.
So you're back in a few weeks then?
So, I'll probably be back in... probably show you some more of the same. I made 1 or 2 things slightly different. Probably about 4 weeks.
Yeah.
Until then, I'll say bye for now.